Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get and use the Luck Totem and Fish It game on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. You can buy the Luck Totem from the traveling merchant right here. Okay, now the Luck Totem is available. Okay, and you need to have 650k coins. Okay, I have already purchased this Luck Totem, so I'm going to go to my item. Again, this is my Luck Totem guys, and we can use this Luck Totem to increase our luck while fishing. Wait, let me go to my item, and okay, you can find a place to put on this Luck Totem and wait. Okay, I've already found a place in this lost aisle, and I'm going to place the Luck Totem right here. Okay, oops, it's too close. Let's try the Luck Totem here nearby the rock. Okay, I'm going to, oh my god, it's too close guys. Okay, let me find another place. Okay, it has been placed here and it will last for 1 hour. Okay guys, and that's how you can use the Luck Totem and Fish It game on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.